In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to Rocket Money. This process is straightforward and secure, and by the end, you'll have your bank account seamlessly linked and ready to go. So, let's get started. First, we need to head over to Rocket Money's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Rocket Money. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before continuing. Assuming you have your username and password handy, go ahead and sign in to access your Rocket Money dashboard. Upon accessing your dashboard, we're going to locate the Add button. Click on this and it will guide you to a secure portal powered by Plaid. Plaid is a trusted service that provides encrypted and read-only access to your financial data, ensuring your information is kept safe during the linking process. Next up, let's choose your bank. This is where you'll need to type in the name of your bank, such as Chase, Bank of America, or any other supported institution. Simply use the search bar to find your bank, and once located, tap on its name. This step is crucial as it ensures you're connecting the right bank to your Rocket Money account. Once you've selected your bank, you'll see a prompt to continue. Click on the Continue button, which will lead us to the login entry for your bank. Here, enter your online banking credentials. This typically includes your username and password. If your bank employs two-factor authentication for added security, be sure to follow the instructions provided. Two-factor authentication acts as an additional shield against unauthorized access by requiring a secondary form of identification. After logging in, you'll have the opportunity to select which accounts you want to link. Whether it's a checking, savings, or credit account, pick one or several that you wish to connect with Rocket Money. Confirm your choices by tapping Continue. At this point, your bank account is in the process of being linked. Verification is the final step here. Once your accounts are connected, Rocket Money will automatically sync your transactions. Test this connection by returning to the Linked Accounts section where your accounts should display as connected. If everything looks good, congratulations. You've successfully added a bank account to Rocket Money. Remember, this setup allows Rocket Money to help manage your finances more effectively, giving you a better grasp of your spending and saving habits. Feel free to explore other features Rocket Money offers to maximize your financial management experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting!